I'm Chris Principe, publisher of Financial IT, here at Sibos 2025, which is being held this year in Frankfurt, Germany, one of the financial capitals of the world. And there's so many exciting things going on here today. And one of the exciting things I have for you is my guest, Michael.
Very nice to meet you, Chris. And we just talked a little while ago and realized that we're New Yorkers.
That's right, we have that in
We're
common.
New Yorkers in Frankfurt. It's great. No, beautiful city so far. Unfortunately, not a lot of time to enjoy it as we're here at Sibos.
And exactly being here at Sibos is also exciting. And we really want to hear quite a bit about what you guys are doing today.
Wonderful. So, I came into Duco about a year and a half ago as CEO, leading this incredible company. Spent my career in trading technology. And, when I decided to make a change, I came across Duco and realized that, innovation is seriously happening in the things that Duco is doing to help transform the operations departments within large financial institutions, asset managers, hedge funds, banks, to really help them to fully automate their operational processes. And Duco is at the heart of it. So this has been exciting, to be at Sibos, to see the energy going on, to hear everything about AI. I mean, how many of these booths are talking about AI?
AI has definitely been one of the centerpieces of a lot of the conversations. And now we're hearing much more about how it actually can help and do things. And, your experience from the trading technology, and then coming across and matching that with Duco and what they've been doing. What exciting things are you guys working on now?
Well, actually, at Sibos, we've released 3 new products, all powered by AI, of course. But what I'd like to think about our products is that our use of AI has an outcome. It's very specific to the outcome and the objective of our clients. So, for example, we're leveraging AI now, agents, to actually help our clients build the reconciliations themselves. We've always been a no-code platform, but we've actually taken it up a notch, not relying on natural rules language processing, but instead using agents so that the users can actually speak like we are in plain English, and the agent is in fact building the reconciliation rules for them. So, really exciting.
What's really, I have to touch on one of the words you used a couple of times, which is reconciliations. It's one of those behind the scenes processes that people don't see, but it's critical across the bank.
In every part of the bank.
And it needs efficiencies, right?
It totally does. I mean, you'd be shocked, as I was, going into these large banks, these asset managers, still having thousands of people reconciling using a spreadsheet here, a spreadsheet there, looking at the differences, looking for the exceptions. And as you said, imagine how inefficient, how costly, and how risky that is. So what Duco is doing is automating that entire process, taking out the manual work and doing it in a split second at scale in a fully enterprise-grade platform that is actually cloud native in AWS. So it's really, really exciting what we're doing because we actually are solving real problems for our clients.
Well, that I think is a very important thing you said, because of course AI is the big buzzword, right? We're hearing it, as you said, I hear it in every booth. But most of what we hear are people talking about what can happen, what they can. You guys are actually doing it.
We're doing it.
Doing it today. And I liked what you said too, with outcomes that show results.
Yep, exactly. We always think about our use of agents to make sure we're using the right tool for the right job. And as we deploy agents not only within our platform, but also the word from our clients is that your agents also have to interoperate with our own agents. And through that interoperability, we are actually creating the right ecosystem for our clients. They have some tasks that they want to power with their agents. We have very specific tasks that we're powering with our agents. And the key here is that interoperability between the two.
You know, Mike, I want to go to something that you said when we were talking earlier, which is business problems and providing solutions to them. Because this is what really gains advantages for financial institutions.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm hearing also some clients, financial institutions are putting out thousands of agents. And I think that could be a problem, again, because how do you know what all those agents are doing, what tasks they're performing? Again, it's the right tool for the right job. That's how we think about it.
Well, great. You know, it's so interesting that you've come together with Duco because clearly you're passionate about it, and clearly the company has done a great job over the years. So give us a little peek into the future. What do you see as the future for the industry in general?
You know, one thing I like to think about Duco doing, again, it becomes something that is real and tangible. We're helping our clients create the workforce of the future. You think what's happening, it's not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting what they're doing so that they can focus on much more higher value tasks. And that's what we think we're doing, is that we're helping to create the workforce for the future.
Well, Michael, I like very much that workforce for the future. It's all about augmentation. You're doing some wonderful things over at Duco. We wish you the best of success going forward. And it's been my pleasure to have you join us on Financial Aids.
Thank you for your time, Chris.
Great. Thank you very much.